Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit. I am architect Sonu from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create roof by mass in Revit, or roof by face you can call it. So in the earlier video tutorial you are familiar how to create roof in Revit, and mostly we use roof by footprint, roof by extrusion. But sometimes we need to use roof by face if we are creating some interesting like curve roof or any other geometrical shape roof. So we will use roof by massing, and then we'll use roof by face to create that roof. So I'm going to teach you about that. So I'm going to create a roof profile here. So for that you are required to create a mass. So you can go to massing and site, and you can select in place mass here, and you can name these as roof mass. And after this you are required to set your work plane. So I'm going to set a work plane. I'm going to click onto this, and I want to select this front part, and I'm going to select this as my front part. And now I'm going to draw a roof mass profile. So first thing, I'm going to select this SP line, and now I'm going to draw some shape here. And this is the profile which we have created. You can adjust your SP line by selecting these points. You can bring it down or take this as up. So likewise you can create your this shape of SP line. And next I'm going to create for the back face of this building also. So I'm going again, and I'm going to set the work plane for the back face of this wall, and we'll select this work plane, and I'm going to select the back face of this wall. Can go to this back side elevation. You can do this in elevation mode also, but I prefer doing in 3D only. So I'm again going to select this time I'm going to again select this SP line, and I'm going to create a profile here, SP line. So now we have done this, and again I'm going to select this SP line and press Ctrl and select this SP line also. And you can go to this create form and select this drop down arrow, and you can select this solid form or void form. So I'm going to select solid form here, and this is our massing. You can finish this massing here. So we have created this massing, and next thing is that I'm going to my architecture tab, and then I will go to my roof and roof by face. I'm going to select this roof by face here, and you can select this roof profile here. This is 6-inch roof, and there are many roof here. So you can select this any type of roof as per design. I'm going to select this sloped glazing, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to create this roof. You can go to edit type, and then you can select layout here, fixed distance, and grid to also fixed distance, and mullions you can select this border type also. You can select this one, you can change this. And you can click apply, OK, and OK, and you can see this is created. This roof profile is created. So After this you can adjust your walls, and like you can select this wall, and this wall, and you can attach top, and you can select this and you can attach your top part. So likewise you can do this for back facing also. You can select this wall, attach top, you can select this part of the roof, and this is attached. So likewise you can create this type of roofs using roof by mass and roof by face. So hope you have liked this tutorial. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.